Hey friends, hello, what's up? Welcome back. So glad you're here as always. Subscription boxes, man, they are killing me. I can't get over these subscription boxes. They are incredible, over and over and over. I love them all. This one might work its way to the top of my list. It's gonna be awesome. Before we get into this one, you guys know the drill. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and make sure to turn on your notifications so you guys don't miss anything. Without further ado, let's get into it because I can't wait any longer. This one is called workspaceSpark. I think the main reason I'm so excited for this box is because it is a career subscription box. Inside, I think we're gonna find desk items, desk decor, office decor, but then whenever you get a workspaceSpark subscription, you also get access to members only career training and articles online. And I love that we can mix career and subscription boxes. I think it's gonna be awesome to merge the two and see if I can finally get a desk area going so I can sit at my desk and actually work on YouTube instead of sitting on the couch editing or laying in bed editing. And I think this is going to make my desk space so much easier. So the founder of this box, I actually have had the pleasure to speak with on the phone, and she's incredible. A thank you note. Here is a sweet little note from Dorothea, the owner. And then I believe she sent me just like an overview of the box. I was just reading briefly on here and I read a cool statistic. According to Gensler's Workplace Performance Index conducted in 2017, a good office design can boost employee productivity by 20%. So let that be your excuse to buy this box. It's going to increase your productivity. A frameless dry erase board. It's got like a marble design. I think this would be cool on like the front of a cabinet, and so then you can write your to-do list, maybe your work schedule. But yeah, an adorable little marble desk dry erase board. Next we've got the Catalina felt tip pens. This is by U Brands and it's adorable and would look so cute. I hate just having pens thrown on your desk that look just black and blue and boring pens. So these are a really cute way to have your pens on your desk and still look pulled together. Next up, oh my goodness. If this isn't the cutest, it's a tape dispenser. But it's the most aesthetically pleasing tape dispenser I have ever seen. Certainly the kind of tape dispenser you keep out on your desk and not have to put away and hide from people because it looks awful. That's so cute. Next up, oh my goodness, I have been wanting one of these. This is perfect and it's adorable. It is a wireless charging pad and it is like a marble style. This is so cute. So it's called Lift for a Second Screen. It just clips onto your laptop so it holds your phone. Would make multitasking super easy in the workplace. And last but not least, this is 5 minutes to a higher salary. Just a good self-help book about money management and what to do with your money. This is gonna be helpful. So that is all of the box. Good quality stuff, adorable stuff. If the goal was to create a beautiful workspace, this stuff will help with that. And the good news is that is the goal. I love this box. This will definitely help my workspace be a lot more aesthetically pleasing. I just can't get over this stinking tape dispenser. Every box is valued over $299. This is incredible. And also don't forget that this box comes with the online training. So not only are you getting the adorable stuff to boost your workplace, but you're also getting career advice along the way, which is incredible, and it's unlike any other subscription box out there. So I was very, very excited to get this one out there to you guys. This is one of the ones you can order without feeling guilty because you're also boosting your career along the way. $299 worth of product for $47.99. Plus, I have a code for you guys for 20% off. That code is WSS20 off. Go to workspacespark.com, plug that in, get 20% off, boost your career, have an adorable workspace. I'm telling you guys, this box is great. I always have so much fun hanging out with you guys. Thanks for being here. I will see you in the next video.